I think that's what really lights me up, that, against all odds, we created it, we nourished it, we flourished it, and it's become an epitome of good healthcare. Which जब भी Pakistan में telemedicine का नाम आता है, so सेहत कहानी is always there. We were told by someone that no one would ever remember the name of Sehat Kahani. And today it's taken with a lot of whenever someone talks about it, they always associate it with very good things. So I think that lights me up. That two women against all odds, against everyone saying कि नहीं हो सकता, they are doing it, and I think that's what gives me hope for a lot of other women as well. That they can also achieve so much in their lives if given the opportunity and the support, and have the belief like we had. I mean, we were crazy. हम ये सोचते हैं, जब हमें कोई कहता है ये नहीं हो सकता, हम ये सोचते हैं कि अच्छा अब इसको करके दिखाएंगे तो अच्छा करके दिखाएंगे. It was a great experience. I think you really covered all the personal aspects that have not been covered ever. No one asked us about us. Yes. When we're talking about Sehat Kahani, that's an amazing feedback.
So I think it has been great listening to and working with Shua on this podcast.